Hey guys, so welcome back. This is part 2 on the 77 F250 build that the boy has been working on. So we'll jump right into that. So the old truck, the front brakes are seized up and they don't move. So we're going to take it apart and start troubleshooting why. Back ones move. So we did come to find out that the brake calipers were seized. We did try to compress them and they were just too far gone. So unfortunately, I did not get any footage of him taking it apart, but we did get the new calipers, and he's currently putting the one on the driver's side. Now he's got a nice new caliper. Now we are going to attempt to put this back together with the old pads and the old rotor for now, just as a temporary roll it around the yard type of thing. But eventually, in the very near future, having the rotor turned and changing the pads is coming. As you can see, you got the new caliper on there.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is James, and today I'll be working on my 1977 Ford F250. Now, we were having problems with the fuel filter. I messed with it for a little bit and figured out how to get it going, and it's working now. Sorry for the bad lighting. But now the issue is brakes. Gotta have them to be safe. Now with the brakes, I have already worked on the brake calipers and got those replaced because the old ones were locked up. So today I'm going to be working on rotors. And that's going to be a treat. I got to rip off the whole hub to do it. Alright, now that I got the hub off, I quickly pulled both bearings because I will be repacking those. Now for the next step, I gotta knock out each one of the studs to get the hub off. Alrighty, it took a little bit more persuasion than I was expecting, but now the hub is off the rotor and I can replace the rotor. Alrighty, like I said, with the old rotor off, we're going to put the new one on, but just a quick tip. The new rotors, no matter what, in the box will be coated with an oil so they don't rust while shipping. So always keep a can of brake cleaner on hand so you can clean this off so you can put it on. Alright, now that we got the rotor on and the bearing packed, freshly packed, and put back in, now all that I need to do is put it all back together. So, let's see how that goes. Alrighty, well now that the hub's back together and on the truck, I already put the tire back on, and don't forget to torque down your lug nuts to 125 foot-pounds to make sure you sink those studs back into place. It might take 2 or 3 times to do it. So just tighten them, undo them, tighten them, undo them, tighten them again, just to make sure those studs are solidly back in place where they should be. I already did that. So now I'm good and ready to do the other side, which we will do later. Oh, quick little tip I forgot to mention. When you replace the rotors, replace the brake pads as well. I did that. Those are the old ones. The new ones are in. So, yeah, don't do one and not the other. Do them both together and do both sides together. I will be doing the other side in a minute.
And that takes care of part 2. So, you guys definitely, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And as always, I thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.